Today, I'm going to easily show you how to make an additional $10 to $20 or more per haircut, and it only takes about 5 to 10 minutes extra of your time. You need 4 things to make this happen. You need exfoliating sponges, 3 clean towels, a cleanser and a moisturizer, and a steamer. All of the products that will be used in this video, you can find them on the Barber Style Directory Amazon store. All you have to do is click the link below in the description. Essentially, what you're going to be doing is an express facial. The great thing about this service is that it's relaxing for the client and it gives you a break at the same time because the steamer will be doing most of the work. Now I'm about to go over everything in detail so that way you know how to do it efficiently. It should only take you about 5 to 10 minutes. About 5 minutes before you finish your haircut, you want to prep the steamer. So go ahead and load your water into the steamer. Be sure to not fill it over this specified line. Turning the steamer on and having it on standby while you finish your haircut, it will keep you from wasting time when it's time to actually use it. So remember, I said you're going to need 3 towels. 1 is going to be used to drape around the client's neck, and the other 2 are going to be for hot steam towels. So now the only thing left to do is for me to demonstrate it for you guys. Let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do is grab a towel and then drape it around the client's neck. And then you want to secure it with a clip in the back. Next, you want to recline your client and then set up the steamer. Make sure it's not too close to their face because you don't want to burn their face. So after about a minute, I'm going to take this exfoliating soap and an exfoliating sponge. And then I'm just going to apply it in a circular motion to the face. And I'm not going to scrub too hard. And this soap is just a mixture of Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap and rose water. So you really want to make a good lather. And that peppermint will open up their pores as well. So do that for about 45 seconds to a minute, and then you want to take a hot towel. Make sure it's not too hot, and then apply it over the face. Make sure that you leave an opening for the nose so that they can breathe. Let this sit on their face for about a minute. So right now, while they're enjoying this, you can go and clean off your clippers, go to the bathroom, just sit down, whatever you need to do. And after a minute, come back and remove the towel. Next, we're going to use the aloe vera jelly and distribute it on the face as well. This is putting moisture back into the skin. Now this part is optional, but I always like to follow up with rose water just because it balances the pH in the skin. And I just blot it onto the skin. Now we apply our second hot towel, and then once again, while this is on their face, you can just relax or do whatever you need to do. So it's really a win-win for you and the client. After about a minute, remove this towel, wipe away any residue, and then you're done. Now I know I sped these steps up, but this only took about 7 or 8 minutes. It really just depends on how fast or slow you go. And that's it, guys. If you got value out of the video, be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button, and comment below what other videos you guys want to see. See you on the next one.